In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, this is your 5th English lecture and I am your English teacher for class 2. Students, take out your textbook of English. Dear students, open page number 44. This is your 5th lecture and now let's start the reading. Grandpa, I see. What do I do next? Sarah, see the key with arrows on the right. That's the scroll. Underline this word scroll for dictation. Key, and it goes up or down. Press the button. Underline this word for dictation. Arrow. It scrolls down. Good. Press the select key again. Now write name. Grandpa. Oh dear, whose name? Sarah. Let's call Auntie Farida and Uncle Umar. Grandpa. Umar. O-M-A-R and F-A-R-I-D-A. Farida. What do I do now? Sarah. Press OK and put in their number 569411. Grandpa. 569411. Can we stop now? Sarah. No, Grandpa. We haven't finished. Underline this word for dictation. Finished. Now press OK again to save their number in your phone book. Well done. Underline this word for dictation. Now you can call them. Grandpa. Not just now, Sarah. Sarah. Come on, Grandpa. I'll do it. It's fun. Grandpa. Phew. I'm tired. In fact, I am exhausted. Underline this word for dictation. You talk to them. Students, you have to, the underlined word you have to write as a dictation word on your neat notebook, and also you have to learn, and with this you have to do the reading of this one paragraph. Now check the diary. Prepare your lesson well and take a self-test. Thank you.